Hi friends, welcome to TechTake Studio. Today we are going to cover important concepts and topics in Azure Data Factory. In last session, I covered what is Azure Data Factory, but to perform or to execute the Azure Data Factory, we need to know some components of Azure Data Factory. And these are the components like pipeline, activity, datasets, link services, and triggers. What is pipeline? Pipeline is logical group of activities to perform a unit of work. Like we do some activities on Azure Data Factory, example, copying of data, storing of data, moving of data, transforming of data. So these type of activities we can do in a group of activities that's called pipeline. And these activities, copying or movement or transformations, is called activity. The data sets. The data we use in activities as input or output is called data sets. The link service. To connect the data from input or output to actual data, we need some connection string as what we need in SSIS. Same is in Azure Data Factory is link service. The source could be anything, text file, SQL database, Oracle database, or CSV files. Triggers. Using it, we can define when our pipeline execution needs to be kicked off. There are different types of triggers. We will see in the next sessions. Let's go to Azure portal and explore. This is Azure portal. I'm already logged in. Either we can search here the data factory, here, data factory, or likely we go to home and we can see here the data factory. We can create the data factory here. The data factory name, anything. It will not allow the special characters. Subscriptions, we need to pay free trial. Resource group. We need to create a resource group first for any task or any Azure Data Factory creating. For now, I'm disabling the enable GAP, the repository. So let's create our first Azure Data Factory showing some error. So it's already, that's why it's not taking, you need to choose carefully. Like this. And now we are to create it. You can see here the deployment is initialized already. This is notification bar. Here we can see all the activities. This is the credit amount you have in your account. Here you can see the deployment is underway. So it will take few seconds, depends on your connectivity also. Once it's completed, you get a notification as deployment succeeded. You can directly go to resource here or here. So it will. Yep. So we are in Azure Data Factory now. This is our data factory name. So this is the author and monitor part, using which we can directly go to our Azure Data Factory, newly created Azure Data Factory, and perform some activities. There we go. Let's get started. This is the editable part, where we can see our task pipelines, data sets, data flows. These are the terms, these are the components, but you need to know to perform the data factory. This is monitor, where we can see our pipeline or activity execution or details. The manage, here is manage settings, where we can connect our link services integration runtimes, triggers for scheduling the jobs. Here we already covered the pipelines, data sets, data flows. We are good to start with Azure Data Factory, creating some pipeline, creating some activities. Because we cover all the important topics here. In the next session, I will cover how we can create Azure Data Factory exactly and how we can perform some activities. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Next session will be create our first Azure Data Factory. Thank you.